This opportunity is definitely mind-blowing and it's helping and changing people's life. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this business opportunity, it's helping a lot of people. It's helping a lot of beginners earn their first dollars online. And don't worry, you don't have to invest $500. You don't have to invest $100, not even $50. And at the time recording this video, not even $30. Let me share with you all the details. And you need to be open-minded with this because this is definitely something that can help you. First of all, I'm going to be talking about Royal Business Academy. I'm going to be sharing with you some testimonials so you can have all check everything here. For example, here we have Maya, which says she woke up this morning with 51 pounds in her back. We have uh, here Christy that she literally just started a new business thanks to RBA because I'm going to show you everything that is included, all the income streams that you're gonna have the opportunity to join, how you can get access to this Roybot. I'm going to be talking about that also. Here we have, for example, here this person, Jessie, she says that she made 5 sales on RBA, first sales down here on Shani Walls. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I'm sorry about that. Here, for example, he have Lola. She said that how she made over 30,000 in sales with digital marketing. Uh, we have here Richie. It's $5,000 in just 1 week. Grace, she released her new book and it's selling on Amazon. Tira, that she started her drop shipping business. Okay, here we have Taniels, who is also earning, Olivia, who's also earning, Isaac, who actually, you know, um, she actually released her new book and it has been sold six times so far, $500 with a simple strategy, first sales. Okay, so I think you already get it. And so far we have 51 pages of testimonials. So people are killing it because this is a product in which you're going to have the opportunity to have over 400 income generated ideas. You hear right, over 400 income generating idea. Also, it gives you 20,000 done for you templates and branding tools with PLR rights that you can sell them. Okay, it gives you government contracting training, financial investment education. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. Now, if you go to the calendar, you're going to have the opportunity to see when they go live because they give you live training. Okay, so you can be part of the community. You can have access to live sessions. If you go here on Classroom, here's where the magic starts. Okay, first of all, you're going to have the opportunity to earn with the resale right. Okay, by the time recording this video, the price is $29. If you're considering making the purchase, use the link below. You're going to have your RBA mentorship. You're going to have this Roybot. If you are struggling creating content, doing email marketing, with Roybot, it's going to help you. There is no other way in which you're going to get access to Roybot. Okay. Here you have some gifts. Here, if you want to start your online store, it's all about mindset. If you miss a session, an online session, here you have the reviews. If you want to learn about business foundation, branding, how to do customer service, you can learn about this, how to automate your business, the government contracting, business startup courses, the PLR that I already told you, how you can master faceless, how you can create a lead magnet, sales funnels, do email marketing, create your own Etsy store, have 10 different income streams with Amazon, just with Amazon. Here you can have your own trucking and logistic business. You're going to learn about crypto, You're going to learn about real estate so you can have your own licenses. Um, ho- so you can have your own license and you can actually be a licensed realtor. You can learn about investing and finance. You can learn about affiliate marketing. You can learn about being a brand ambassador, uh, training about life insurance. You can actually have your license as well and be a life insurance agent, a staffing agency, business founding, okay, train on demand, PR, how to do digital marketing, healthcare bosses, travel. Well, I think you already get it. You're going to have a lot of opportunities here, and they're actually uploading more content. As I told you before, the price right now, it's literally just $29, and you're going to have the opportunity to have multiple of streams of incomes thanks to the Royal Business Academy. If you decide like, hey, you're going to share this opportunity, it comes with master results, right? What does this means? That you are going to earn 100% of the profit. Okay. Literally with just one sale, you are going to earn 100% of the profit. Okay. You're going to get your money back. You're going to have 54 business courses that you can sell separate. Okay. So people do not need to have access to the Royal Business Academy, and you can sell them as your own. Okay. They're on a different platform. You have access here. Okay. And people can make the purchase. There is no monthly subscription. There is no hidden fees. You're going to have access to weekly webinars, sales training. The community right now is over 30,000 people. This is definitely a great opportunity, not only because this is actually affordable, because everything that is included, okay, everything that is included, you can actually combine multiple streams of income because, for example, you can have your Etsy store, but also you can be, let's say that you learn how to create an ebook, okay? You took RBA and you said like, okay, I'm going to be focusing on creating my own digital product. I'm going to I'm going to sell it on Etsy, but also have the opportunity to sell it on Amazon. But also there are other ways in which I can actually earn money with Amazon, not just um with KBP, by uploading the ebook. So literally multiple stream of income here. You can also do affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can combine them and you can have a lot of income potential because you're going to have a lot of opportunities. And that's the reason why a lot of people are sharing wins. Okay, because they understand the value here that is not only on the results, right? Okay, so literally, if you're ready to join, if you want something different, if you want to give yourself the opportunity, to have your first online business, to have, multiple stream of incomes, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Remember, by the time recording this video, it's literally just $29. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy this content and you take advantage of this opportunity. And I see you guys on the next video.